Today you are going to learn how to make this beautiful and simple slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. To be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Go to Insert, go to Table and insert a 7 by 7 table. Go to Pen Color and make it white color. Uncheck the Draw table and adjust the table like this. And make sure it covers the whole slide. Go to Border and click on All Border. Now let me select the table, click on right button, go to Format Shape, go to Fill and click on No Fill. Now I have to insert a picture. Go to Insert, go to Picture, go to this device. Let me select this picture, click on Insert. I have to adjust it, so I have to crop the picture. Go to Crop, Aspect Ratio and make it 16:9 and click on Outside. And make sure it covers the whole slide. Click on right button and send it to back. Now select this shape, go to Shape Format, Shape Fill and click on Solid Fill and make it white fill color. Now randomly select another cell and make it solid fill. Select this cell, make it solid fill color, and let me select this cell and make it solid fill and white fill color. Now I have to add some text. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box, drag it over here, right here Style PowerPoint, change the font to Lemon Milk, increase the font size, select it, make it bold and change the font color to this color. Again go to Insert, Shape, pick another text box, drag it over here, add some demo text, select the text and change the font to Brush Script Empty, adjust it and place it over here. Select all of this and keep it over here. Now go to Insert, Shape, pick an oval shape, hold down the Shift key, drag it over here. Go to Shape Fill, select this fill color, Shape Outline, no outline, press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it over here. Again doing the same task, select this tree, Ctrl Z to group and place it over here like this. Now this is looking beautiful. Let me watch the slideshow and here you will see this is very eye-catching. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.